Hi, I'm Eric Heiden. ProComp Suspension has earned a reputation for building quality and affordable performance suspension systems for GM trucks and SUVs over the last 2 decades. General Motors' introduction of the new Silverado and Sierra gave ProComp Suspension the opportunity to build industry-leading suspension systems for these hot new half-ton trucks. Beyond the new body styling, the new GM trucks have traded in their torsion bars for race-inspired front coilover dampers. Visually, you can see that the 2 3/4 coilover for ProComp Suspension is both longer and larger than the factory units they replace. A massive 2.5-inch diameter piston inside the MX 2 3/4 coilover provides superior damping control to deliver the ride quality and handling that is demanded for today's lifted trucks. The 2 3/4 coilover makes the truck ride and handle better than ever before, and the loss of torsion bars makes the installation of this new system easier than ever. If you think this level of performance and quality comes with a heavy price tag, you'll be amazed that this Stage 2 2 3/4 coilover system is priced less than any of our competitors' similar coilover kits. Also, less installation time saves more money so that you can concentrate on the purchase of wheels, tires, and other accessories that will outfit this truck when it's finished. Now, let's check out some of the other great features that the ProComp suspension system has to offer. One of the first things you'll notice is this heavy-duty, one-piece laser-cut 3/16 steel crossmember, using a single piece of material to form the main structure, and then welding in reinforcements creates a stronger and lighter component than the competitors. Rigid crossmembers position the factory lower control arms to maintain ideal suspension operating angles, and move the lower arms forward to maintain proper alignment specs. Plus, tubular struts support the rear crossmember for added chassis strength. General Motors has changed the differential housing for 2007. This change makes installation easier now that the factory crossmember is simply unbolted and only a 3-inch long portion of the frame is removed to allow the differential to be relocated. This means that the system does not require any cutting or grinding on the differential housing, unlike some of the competitors' kits. ProComp suspension system lowers the differential a full 5 inches. That's about an inch more than the competing brands. This keeps the CV axles at the correct operating angles to prevent premature wear of the CV axle joints. ProComp suspension supplies added differential mounts and hangers. These allow the differential to be correctly positioned for use with the factory drive shaft, or use these differential mounts and hangers to be used with the CV drive shaft. The ProComp suspension system functions well with the factory front shaft. However, it was decided that if you're going to offer an optional driveline upgrade, you might as well do it right. Now that the lower control arms and front differential have been properly located, let's take a look at the upper arms and steering knuckles. New high-strength steering knuckles are made with a longer neck to reach the factory upper control arms so that these arms can remain in their original location. Extensive R&D work and real-world testing yielded the best possible knuckles available. This precision-engineered system allows for the full range of suspension travel without stressing the CV axles or ball joints while maintaining accurate steering geometry required for the proper function of the GM StabiliTrak system. Now that we have the front end covered, let's go check out the back. A pair of addle leaves improves load leveling and reduce axle wrap. 4-inch tall tapered blocks provide more lift height and position the pinion angle for smooth driveline operation. Adjustable shocks add the finishing touch. These are the Robbie Gordon Series MX6 adjustable rear shocks. ProComp Suspension recommends a maximum tire size of 35 by 1250 on a 17 and up wheel. 8 to 9 inches wide with a 5-inch maximum back spacing. This combination will provide the best tire defender clearance. On or off-road, ProComp Suspension takes pride in building long-lasting trucks that deliver exceptional performance and ride quality at prices unmatched by the competition. I'm Eric Heiden. Thanks for joining us.